Expert tips from your student doc, sponsored by Burrell College of Osteopathic Medicine. Iron Deficiency Anemia.
Hey everybody, I'm Sydney Alvarez here with 4 tips on iron deficiency anemia with student Dr. Mae Sloan, Burrell College of Osteopathic Medicine.
Thanks, Sid. So tip number 1 is to eat iron-rich foods like dark leafy greens, including spinach, kale, and collard greens, red meat, seafood, beans, dried fruits like apricots, raisins, and dates, cereals, bread, pasta, and eggs.
You just made me hungry.
I'm hungry too. So tip number 2 is to take vitamin C, which helps the body absorb iron. Some vitamin C sources include citrus fruit, including orange juice, strawberries, broccoli, and bell pepper.
You're still making me hungry.
Well, tip number 3 is to take iron supplements on an empty stomach with orange juice or any juice with vitamin C. However, do not take iron pills with milk or coffee because calcium and caffeine decrease iron absorption. Instead, the last tip is to consult a physician if you have new or worsening symptoms of fatigue, shortness of breath, a fast or regular heartbeat, and pale cold skin.
Mae, thank you so much for the information and making me hungry.
You're
For
welcome.
more information, go to burrell.edu.
Expert tips from your student doc, sponsored by Burrell College of Osteopathic Medicine.